Janet here with Strange RV Tours in Kingsland, Georgia, or Woodbine, Georgia, same place. Actually, we're in Walkabout Camp and RV Park. Come and join us and I'll show you around. Okay, this is the entrance, and actually we had chickens running around as soon as we drove in. We're here on Passport America. We're paying $25 a night because normally we wouldn't pay that much, but we were kind of in a bind, so that's still half price. But see the chickens? As soon as we drove in, we were trying to avoid chickens. It's pretty cool though. And actually they have 70 sites. They added a whole new section on the left side over here. Way over here. That's a whole new section. That's not even on the maps or anything yet. But it's just as nice as this area. And people have dogs, they have get-togethers, they have trash cans out for you to just dump your personal trash, and they have dumpsters too. But it's pretty cool. And there's, you know, they're doing a lot of maintenance, upgrading, and they're getting ready for a little festival in another week. So they got people coming and going like crazy. The pool is nice, but it's not heated. And I saw the pool guy netting it out. So they do keep up with it. You know. We've been in rainy days for the last 3 days. But this is the little clubhouse. And they had like a game night the other night. They had a little get together last night, but we went out instead. But nice and quaint. We already got some St. Patty's Day stuff up. How cute. And if you want to work out a little bit, there you go. And see, everything's neat and clean. It really is. This little office here. And Katie was awesome. They have a few little items to buy if you want. They do have propane service. I can smell the fresh pine, the fresh wood. And we got a little chicken coop for those chickens. There we go. See? See? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hey, babies. Are they all curled up here? Yes. See? Hi, babies. Sorry to wake you. They're pigs. Little sissy kids, pigs, pygmy kids, pigs. They say they get about a dozen eggs out of the chickens a week. I mean, a day. There you go. Hi, baby. I don't have nothing for you. I told you. They're all over. They're not scared of people either. I'm scared of them. Well, I just don't know how they'll react, that's all. They're so cute. Hey. Anyway. Alright. They're all curled up. Aw. Oh, man, that's tough. Tough. Man. That hair is like prickly. Seating area so you can watch your kids. Seating area so you can watch your dog. And anyway, there's their storage. Got some friends that are YouTubers. Well, we just met them. So there's YouTubers. They're getting ready to take off. They're going to store their whole rig here for a month. So there's supposed to be like tent camping back in the back, way back here. And see, we're in number 14 down here. But yeah, they're supposed to be doing their storage for their truck and their RV. They have a Kenworth. That's a truck, the real truck. It's not a pickup, it's a truck. But they're going to store theirs here, and they're going to be out on a boat for a month. So sounds like they got a plan. I just talked to Kate. She's trying to get all her videos uploaded ahead of time. See, the lots are pretty level. We had all that rain, so people are driving around on the mud on the corners, but actually there's some chickens. More chickens. But I heard, you know, some reviews where they were just all flooded out and all this. Well, it rains, it rains. Well, I didn't see nobody with the problem. So, see, they're getting ready for this little festival. It's going to be a week out. So, normally they have another like 10 spots down here. They got all this going on. They're already setting up chairs and stages, and they're supposed to have food trucks. You know, that's pretty neat. Pretty neat. You can see all that? I'll get a little closer. Yeah. Yeah, they're working hard on this. Pretty neat. There's spaces all along there. They didn't book anybody along that side so that they can set this whole thing up. Yeah, this is where we had the fire pit the first night we got here. And Mike was awesome. He's like the fire master. He's like throwing the wood. See, he stacks them up. I'm sure we're gonna have one tonight. And that was only built a couple years ago. It used to be by the office for the laundry and the bathrooms. Now they built this, and it's nice. It's got nice showers, washers and dryers, stackable, and they worked well. You know, so sometimes you get in there and they'll dry or they don't spin good. But they had a guy working on them. He said, it's just a computer glitch. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, here we go. This is that all new section. And they have Wi-Fi here, and that's awesome. It works great. I'm impressed. I mean, we're doing great with the Wi-Fi here. Alright, this is Janet, Strange RV Tours. It's a great place. The people around here are just fun. We were around the campfire the first night, telling stories, how everybody met, and you know, first time they met. And it was like, just like, it was awesome. It was awesome. Anyway, you guys like the video? Hit like, subscribe if you would, hit the bell, and then share if you would. If you want to join us on Patreon, there's extra stuff there for y'all. Yeah, that's like a family thing. So, thank you. Talk at you later.